Hey guys, in this episode of Ansa's cookbook, I am going to show you how to make potato smileys. Let's get started. We will need starchless potatoes for this recipe. You can see the skin of these potatoes look very thin and do not use waxy potatoes. We need to boil the potatoes and peel. Now we will grate the potatoes instead of mashing them. Make sure you do not overboil the potatoes as we do not want too much moisture while making the dough. After grating the potatoes, add some salt and mash them really well. Now we will add 2 tablespoons of corn flour and give it a good mix to make a thick dough out of it. Do not add too much of corn flour to manage the consistency as that would ruin the taste of the smileys. Main key in getting potato smiley is it shouldn't have moisture in the dough. So if needed, add some breadcrumbs to the prepared dough to make it thick. Apply some oil to your hand and mix the dough really well, and once the dough is no more sticky, we will rest this in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Resting the dough in the refrigerator helps the smileys to retain the shape while frying in the oil. Do not place them in the freezer section of your refrigerator. Take the dough out of the refrigerator after 30 minutes, spread a plastic sheet, apply some oil to this and place the dough on the plastic sheet. Now we will spread it first using hands and then roll using a rolling pin. Do not roll the sheet very thin, make sure it is around half an inch thickness. Apply some oil or maida to the rolling pin and your hand so that the dough doesn't stick. To cut the round shape, use any round lid of a container, a steel glass or a cookie cutter. First we will dip the cutter in some corn flour or apply some oil so that you can use it easily to cut. Now remove the excess and you can roll it to make more smileys. Take a toothpick, dip it in some corn flour and make the eyes of the smileys like this. Make bigger eyes as when we fry the smileys, eyes may become somewhat smaller. To make smile, use a spoon, dip it in some corn flour or oil and make the smile like this. You can freeze and store the smileys before frying them up to 1 month in any airtight container or a Ziploc cover. Now we will add smileys to medium hot oil, fry them on a medium to high flame. Flip and fry until they turn golden. Like the video if you like it guys and subscribe for more interesting recipes every day. Let me know your views on the recipe and suggestions in the comment section. Thank you for watching guys. Have a nice day.